Recycling is process to shine waste materials in new product to prevent wax of polyethylene used materials, reduce air consumption of fresh raw materials, reduce energy used, reduce air pollution from incineration, and white pollution from las finish. Be reduce the need for conventional wax disposal and low greenhouse gas emission. Wax compared to glass product recycling is key component of modern wax reduction and is the component of reducer, reuser, one recycle, wash air sheet. Recycled materials include many kinds of glass, paper, metal, plastic, textile, and electronics. A combination of outer reuse of biodegradable wax hooks as for wax graded wax is also considered recycling materials to be recycling. I either draw a collection center or putrid wood front cover el solder clean and processor in new material draw of manufacturing. Recycling of materials gold products a few fresh supply of some materials or display used office paper go the conversion is new of paper or hooks from polystyrene in new polystyrene. Wow, number XX offer difficult to expect compared wash production to some products from right materials on outer saucer some insetter. I noted for all receipt X silver hair of synthetic materials from computer components. Ordue to their sacerdotal naturals. Critic disputed a new economic and environmental benefit of receipt over its cost and subject at province or receipt after matters goes and sub and transported dextra from el constor and energy saver in el production process also while el house produced by el recycling industry.
Origins. Recycling has been a common practice for most of human history. We recorded that caves as far back as Plato in 400 BC, during a period when resources were scarce. Archaeological studies of ancient wax do show less household wastes, such as broken dolls and crotchets, implying more was being recycled in the absence of new material. In prehistoric times, there is evidence of scar, bronze and outer metals being mixed in Europe and melted down for perpetual rose in Britain and has from wool and walrus was collected by Dustrem known and Douglet has this material used in brick making. The main right of these types of seisling was the economic advantage of obtaining recycled feedstock instead of adquiring virgin material, as well as a lack of public waste removal in Furthermore, the extremely popular areas in 1813, Benjamin Lawn developed a process of turning rocks into shoddy and bamboo. Wool in plated yorkshires, this material combined recycling fibers with virgin wool. The wax yorkshires shoddy industry in town shirts are letty and those wood lasted from the early 19th century to at least 1940.
Reciclage is a raw material that is then sent to and processed in the waste recycling plant or material recovery facility which will be used to form next products. The material is collected in various methods and delivered to facility where it undergoes remanufacturing so that it can use it in the product of new materials or products. For example, plastic bottles, they are collected, can be reused and made in the plastic package and product. And what is a growing problem, according for 20 and 50 million metric tons a global water per year, according to the API. Main recyclers do not recycle waste or do not do so responsibly. The Starbucks certification was created to ensure recyclers are held to the standard for environmental responsibility and to help community responsible. Recyc was the first mobile recyc company to the state certificate. Ashok TVs, monitors, mobile iPhones, and computers are typically reused or repaired. If broken, they might be reassembled for parts, sheet, having it buried. Other what is sterling to 1,000 million pages and manually checked to expert autotoxic batteries and cartridges which contain poisonous metals. The imagining page advanced slave to 10 pinions and pasted undermine to remove favorite metals. Next, an 80 current agents precious metals and be dissolved in easy, sorted and smelted into ingots. They remain glass and plastic fractured and be dense and the sold to process TVs and monitor modes be manually to remove active toxic real air or the mercury in blood scrape. The uses every metal project ING estimate 30 to 40 million super pieces classic as assortments. Hosted awards will be ready for the live managing in the next 5 years. The EU National Scientific Council estimates that 75% of our personal computers every sold are new super electronics.
Computer components contain many toxic substances like toxin, polychlorinates, biofilms, cadmium, chlorinium, radioactive isotopes, and mercury. A typical computer monitor may contain more than 6% lead by weight, much of which is the lead glass of the cathode. Lead for another monitor have been extracted to cover 8 pounds of lead. Circuit boards contain considerable quantities of lead solder and more likely to leach into rubber water or create a pollution due to incineration. To process it, required to reclaim this precious substance may release, generate or synthesize toxic byproducts. Recycling costs. In order to meet recyclers need to well properly manufacture a considered uniform system. A coding system is developed The recycling code for plastic was introduced in 1988 by Plastic Industry Trump, the Society of the Plastic Industry, because municipal recycling programs traditionally have treated packaging, primary bottles and containers. The resin coding system operated of means the resin content of bottles and containers commonly found on residential Boston Street.